Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. In this tutorial, I will be guiding you through how to turn off sound in AFK Arena. To turn off the sound setting in AFK Arena, first of all, launch the AFK Arena game on your mobile device, and once the game loads, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Now, from the expanded menu, click on Settings. Within the User Settings tab, you will be able to see Music and Sound Effects bar. In order to turn off or to decrease the volume of your music and sound effect, drag the music note and speaker icon towards the left. Once you drag it all the way towards the left-hand side, you will be able to turn off or disable the sound effect. Once the sound is off, you can enjoy the game without audio distractions. And there you go! That's how you have successfully turned off the sound in AFK Arena, allowing you to play in silence or with your preferred audio settings. If this tutorial was helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more AFK Arena tips and other gaming guides. Stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching.